having the power to double the lifespan of your fresh produce or instantly charge your phone. Wouldn't that be something? Well, you won't need a magic wand for these, just a few simple life hacks. Here are some incredible time-saving life hacks that can make your daily life a little bit easier. Number 1 on the list, the onion hack. Yes, you heard it right. Ever wondered how to keep your onions fresh for longer? It's simple. Store them in a pair of clean old pantyhose. This keeps them dry and less prone to molding, and they can last up to 8 months. Moving on to number 2, the charging hack. If your phone is running low on battery and you need a quick charge, just switch it to airplane mode. This reduces battery use during the charging process, allowing it to charge faster. Next up is number 3, the grocery bag hack. If you've ever struggled with carrying multiple grocery bags at once, here's a handy tip. Use a large carabiner to hold multiple bags together. It saves your hands from the strain and makes carrying bags a breeze. Coming to number 4, the keyboard cleaning hack. A sticky note can be a great tool to clean between the keys of your keyboard. The sticky end can pick up dust and crumbs, leaving your keyboard clean and tidy. Number 5, the tinfoil hack. Extend the life of your batteries with this hack. If your device needs AA batteries but you only have ADA, fill the gap with a small ball of tinfoil. It works just as well. And finally, number 6, the encryption hack. This one's for the tech savvy. Always encrypt your sensitive data before uploading it to the cloud. This transforms the data into an unreadable form that can only be accessed with a decryption key, adding an extra layer of security. So there you have it. 6 incredible life hacks that can make your day-to-day tasks a little easier. Remember, store onions in pantyhose to keep them fresh for longer. Charge your phone in airplane mode for a quick boost. Use a carabiner for carrying multiple grocery bags. Clean your keyboard with a sticky note. Use tin foil when you're out of AA batteries. And always encrypt your sensitive data before uploading it to the cloud. Isn't it fascinating how simple adjustments can lead to significant improvements? So go ahead, try these hacks and add a sprinkle of magic to your everyday life.